Think tender, fluffy carrot cake layered with creamy, rich cheesecake. We bake them together with no cracks. Marco absolutely loves this one. And if we can make it in our small motorhome kitchen, you can absolutely make it at home. And here's the first secret for this cheesecake batter. Don't overmix it. Too much mixing traps air, and that's exactly how cheesecake layers crack later. And that's also why we beat the eggs separately first. And then we fold them in gently. It keeps the batter smooth and creamy without filling it with air. Now we switch gears and make the carrot cake batter. And this part smells amazing. Cinnamon, nutmeg, a little ginger. Those warm spices are what give carrot cake its signature flavor. Wait until you see how these two layers bake together. We use oil instead of butter so the cake stays soft and moist. And we love using 2 sugars. Brown sugar adds moisture and flavor, and white sugar keeps the cake light. And here's another little secret. Once the flour goes in, don't overmix. This prevents gluten from developing that can make the cake dense instead of tender. Everyone knows carrot cake needs carrots. That's a no-brainer. But the real secret is an apple. It melts into the cake as it bakes and makes the crumb insanely moist. The way we layer these is actually really important. Carrot cake needs stronger heat to bake through, so it sits around the edges. The cheesecake stays protected in the center. Just try not to let the cheesecake batter reach the sides, or you can end up with big air pockets. This way, both layers bake perfectly together. Okay, so don't panic if it domes in the oven. That's completely normal. What we are really watching here is the carrot cake. Once a skewer comes out clean, it's done. Just turn the oven off and leave the door slightly open. Let it cool slowly before chilling. This frosting is really simple, but it makes a huge difference. Cream cheese gives it that tangy flavor that balances the sweetness of the cake, and a little lemon juice brightens everything up so the whole dessert feels rich but not heavy. This is what ties the whole dessert together. Soft and tender carrot cake, creamy cheesecake, and that tangy frosting. And of course, a few walnuts on top. They add a little crunch that makes everything even better. And once you cut it, you get all 3 in one bite. There you have it. Soft and fluffy carrot cake, creamy cheesecake, and that tangy frosting all in one slice. We shared this with our camping neighbors and they totally loved it. You definitely have to try this one.